Hello, Lisa here. Welcome back to my channel, and I am coming to you with a really cool unboxing-y sort of thing. So I just did my first ever trade, which was really exciting and also broke all of the rules of tarot trades, so that's pretty cool. So a subscriber contacted me and as mentioned that she had a deck that I really wanted and offered to trade for a Peggy bag. So we did that. That was pretty sweet. So really, Peggy made something that I got to trade for a deck, which is about the most amazing deal ever for me. Yay. So I actually am super excited to open this. It just came in today, and I haven't even cut it out of its packaging yet. And this packaging scares me because I'm always worried I'm gonna cut into something that matters. So I'm gonna try to do it sorry, you get to listen to all of the unwrap of the, the rustling kind of thing, but I think it's safe here at the top, so I'm just going to go right across the top with the scissors. I think I did okay. Okay, we'll see. So this is exciting because I've never done the thing. Oh, okay, hold on. Let's see if I can get it out of here without more surgery. I think I need more surgery. All right, here we go. Right down. Oh, phew. Okay, I think I did it. Yay! Okay. I'm really bad at this, and I don't even know how to speed things up yet. I mean, I probably can with my video editing software stuff, but so far no good. So there's a really nice little card. Yay! Thank you! So this subscriber's name is Kathy. So much fun to trade. Yes, I've never traded before, so I'm so excited. So she packed this up really nicely. I don't know how to... Oh, there we go. I think I figured it out. Oh, it's there's sticky bubble wrap on it. So this is actually really exciting because for Rider-Waite decks, I really only have... all I really have is the little mini Centennial in a tin. So she contacted me and said that she had a full-size Centennial, which was totally on my wish list. Oh my god, it's gigantic! Okay, keeping in mind that the only... oh my god, this is going to be amazing. The only Rider-Waite deck that I have owned to date... I should hold this on this side. This is way better. So much more room. See if I can figure out the camera thing. There we go. The only one I've had to date is the one in a tin, so this feels huge in my hands. And it is in such great shape. Oh my god. And she put it back in order for me. Oh, this is so fantastic. I have been wanting this for a while. And I really like the coloring of the Centennial. Wheel of Fortune. Okay, I don't need to go through the whole thing. I'm sure you guys have all seen this before, but... So I'm looking in the preview window while I'm flipping the cards. This is so... Oh my god, this feels so nice. So this is my first official full-size... I'm probably making horrible noise in the microphone because I'm plopping the cards down right in front of the mic, but... This is my first full-size Rider-Waite, so this was a really exciting trade. Oh my gosh, the majors. Oh, I just want to I cannot wait to shuffle these. These literally feel huge because, again, I've only ever had the little mini in a tin. I could just go through this entire thing, from start to finish. So much fun. This is probably going to be my shortest video ever, but I really wanted to open this on camera because I'm just super excited to have it. So I'm going to have to pick out a really good, sorry, I'm just flipping through. I'm going to have to pick out a really good Rider-Waite inspired bag. I don't know. Maybe something in this bluish color. I don't know. But this is fantastic. Oh, thank you so much, Kathy. I am so excited to have this and work with this. And it's going to look so much better when I'm doing my tarot memoirs and holding up the classic to have one that is a full size. I'm dying right now. And then she put inside the little box this cute little notebook with the rainbow unicorn little journal. Look at the so cute. I love it. Okay. Yeah, I like this. I'm very happy. That is awesome. What a fun trade. I've never traded before, so that was really exciting. I really want to shuffle this, but then I kind of want to keep it in order. Oh, I feel like I can, this is so much better for my old eyes too. I feel like I can see the details in the cards so much better. Like, hello, 7 of Cups. Yeah, I feel like I can see so much better. They're not miniature. Oh, I love this. How exciting. This is kind of, you know what, this is probably going to give me the itch for more full-size Rider-Waite. And originally I was thinking of getting the borderless, and then Kathy's like, well, just trim it. But now I don't think I want to. Now maybe I think I need more than one. So anyways, the Centennial Rider-Waite in the full-size, fun trade, new deck for me, and again, my very first full-size Rider-Waite. So I am super excited to have this. I just have to find the perfect bag for it, and then I will be good to go. So anyways, thank you for joining me. I just wanted to share this fun little unboxing with you all. And again, my very first trade. I think trading is fun. I haven't really, it's hard for me to give things up, so trading for a Peggy bag was kind of like the best. Eventually, I probably will be open to giving up some decks. I'm probably going to have to do a video soon on my dust collectors, the decks that I just don't reach for, and then maybe some of those I might be willing to part with. But oh, this is very exciting. All right, guys. Well, thanks for joining me while I open this up, and I will see you all again very, very soon.